In this video, I'm going to be putting the new Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve to the test up against Olaplex No. 3. I'm going to show you two routines. I'm going to show you how to use both of these products, and we're going to compare my results side by side. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Gina, and I make videos about naturally curly hair. I love doing product testing videos like this. I also love doing beginner videos, and I really try and break everything down in simple, easy to follow steps so that everyone can achieve healthy hair. So y'all already know that I have used Olaplex No. 3 in the past. This product can be used on healthy hair, it can be used on damaged hair, any hair type, no matter if you color your hair or not. It's meant to repair damage and help strengthen the hair and reduce breakage. So I was really excited to see Curlsmith come out with a very similar product. It says it's a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair. It contains pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. So as you can see, it has all natural ingredients like all the Curlsmith products. Everything is sulfate, silicone, and paraben free, so it is Curly Girl Method approved. And the Olaplex is as well. The Olaplex, this one in particular, doesn't have any silicones, but their other products do. They both claim to do very similar things: repair your hair, strengthen your hair, prevent breakage, and just help you achieve healthier hair overall. Go ahead and get started first with the routine on using the Bond Curl. The three of you are going to have a chance to win the new Bond Curl Rehab Salve, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how to enter the giveaway.
So here's a look at my hair before using any protein treatments. It's been a while since I did any type of treatment to my hair, and this is also my hair on day 2 before refreshing. So I wanted to show you like an accurate representation of what my hair looks like on a normal day, not when it's super stretched out and needs to be washed, just my normal curls. They do need to be refreshed, but you're supposed to apply the Bond Curl to damp hair and then shampoo and condition after, just like with Olaplex. So I'm first applying water all over my hair and then sectioning my hair off so I can get an even distribution. So here I'm applying the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I'm using about a quarter size amount for each section. You just want to make sure everything is evenly coated. It seemed to have really great slip, so I was able to detangle before shampooing, which is what I like to do. So the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is a protein-rich, intense pre-shampoo treatment that helps strengthen and repair your hair from the inside out. So it's not a conditioner. It's always supposed to be followed up with a shampoo and any type of moisture afterwards, such as a conditioner or a deep conditioner. It's meant for any hair type, but it's especially going to help you if you have damaged, high porosity hair, or if you have bleach damage to your hair, if you've been straightening a lot. So it targets hair's bonds to help relink and repair damage, makes hair really soft and manageable, and it's supposed to help protect against breakage and help enhance your curl pattern. So if you're curious how this actually works, so our hair is made up of keratin naturally, which is a protein, and it's reinforced by hair bonds, and there's 3 types of hair bonds that make up our hair structure. There's disulfide bonds, which can be damaged by bleach and chemical treatments. There are salt bonds, which are damaged by a sudden imbalance in pH, and then there's hydrogen bonds, which are damaged by excess moisture and heat. So the Bond Curl Rehab Salve is supposed to help target all 3 of these bonds to help repair and rebuild and restore the hair's strength, and this is also what's supposed to help protect it from further damage. So you want to let this sit on your hair for 15 minutes or longer if desired, but no more than 1 hour. You don't want to overdo this. Do not sleep in this product. You want to only leave it on as directed, which is 15 minutes to 1 hour. I left mine on for 15 minutes. That's all I feel like I needed. I did put on a shower cap just to help keep my hair damp. You don't want your hair to start to dry or else it could stop it from working. Now I'm hopping into the shower to shampoo my hair, and I'm using the Curlsmith Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo. Although this says that it is for color treated hair, anyone can use this even if you don't have color treated hair. This shampoo gives a super mild cleanse, so this is ideal to use midweek, or you can use it after doing a treatment like this for some extra moisture. It's not going to strip your hair or anything. Now for conditioner, I'm using the Curlsmith Glow Perfecting Conditioner. This is the one that goes with the Vivid Tones shampoo. You don't have to use a conditioner if you're going to be deep conditioning. I just wanted to show you the one that goes with the shampoo here, but this one is pretty moisturizing actually, so I did feel like I got enough moisture. I do recommend deep conditioning though after doing a protein treatment, so I will be doing that next. But I wanted to go ahead and apply some conditioner in the shower just to further detangle. I did let it sit for a little bit just to really help it soak in, and I did find it to be very moisturizing and has shea butter in it. This also contains watermelon seed and wild strawberry, which is supposed to help give your hair some shine, vitamins, and moisture. So like I said, I did decide to go ahead and deep condition off camera. I did that for about 15 to 20 minutes and let that sit. I really recommend deep conditioning after you do any type of protein treatment because you want to make sure your hair is properly balanced between protein and moisture. I just wanted to reiterate that the Bond Curl treatment is a protein treatment, so you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to go into protein overload, so I don't recommend using it too often if you have very healthy hair. If you have damaged hair, you definitely can use it more frequently. Just make sure you are properly moisturizing your hair afterwards with deep conditioner and avoiding having too much protein in your styling products that you use after. So after I let my deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 20 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed that out, and my hair feels so shiny and ready to go for stylers. So for my stylers, I wanted to focus on moisture, so I'm using the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm. I first started off with just using a leave-in conditioner, and I definitely felt like I needed more moisture after doing the Bond Curl treatment. So that's why I decided to switch to the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, which is a curl cream. This definitely gives a lot of moisture, perfect for my medium to coarse hair. To lock in that moisture and provide hold, I'm using the Curl Defining Styling Souffle from Curlsmith. This is a flaxseed-based gel. It also has avocado, Irish moss, rosemary, and babassu oil, which is really good for moisturizing, detangling, and also adding shine. This souffle is a really interesting texture. It's sort of like a custard. It has a very slippery feel to it. I find that this gives me medium hold, which is perfect for the winter time. And I decided to just rake in my stylers and not use a styling brush because I really want to see how much definition and how much curl shrinkage that I can get with just using the Bond Curl. So I didn't want to cause any excessive shrinkage or definition with using a brush. So that's why I just raked it through, and then I scrunched out some excess water with my hair repair towel. And then after that, I just go in with a little bit more of the gel to tame any leftover frizz. A little does go a long way with the souffle, which I really like that. So then I usually let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm ready to go in and diffuse. And these are my final results after diffusing. I cannot believe the amount of shrinkage that I have in definition. I was definitely shocked. So this was before I actually scrunched out the crunch, and then this is after scrunching out the crunch. So I feel like this is typically how my curl pattern looks when I use a brush and really try and focus on definition. So without using a brush, I'm really surprised. And this side of my head was a lot tighter than it normally is. Typically this side is more of like a 3A pattern, and it definitely looks more to be a 3B pattern now on that side of my head. So here's the before and after results. So you can definitely see I have more definition.
So now that you have seen how to use the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, let's get started with the Olaplex routine.
So here's my hair before doing the Olaplex treatment. This has been several wash days in between, so that way I could get a really good read on how much difference that the Olaplex makes, so we can compare it to the Bond Curl. So I'm going to be doing the exact same steps that I did with the Bond Curl routine. The only thing we are replacing is the actual treatment product. So I'm first wetting down my hair completely, and I'm going to be sectioning it off and gradually working in the Olaplex section by section. So I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about Olaplex all the time in previous videos, so you know the drill. This has the same claims to help repair the broken bonds in our hair. So both Olaplex and the Curlsmith Bond Curl are cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, silicone-free, paraben-free, all that stuff. But the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, I noticed, has more of those natural proteins, so it seems more like a protein treatment, whereas Olaplex, you don't see any of those protein ingredients in it. I will put them on the blog post that goes with this video below. I will put the full ingredients list so you can compare them side by side. There's definitely a big difference. They're obviously different formulas. They might work slightly different, but they both have the same goal. I do recognize a couple of more natural ingredients towards the end of the Olaplex ingredients list, such as aloe leaf juice and jojoba seed oil. So I combed the Olaplex through each section like I did with the Curlsmith Bond Curl, and then I'm going to let this sit for the exact same amount of time, and I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it out. So I did shampoo and condition off camera. I used the exact same Curlsmith shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm using the exact same Curlsmith stylers using the same routine. So I won't bore you with sitting through that exact same routine, but just know I tried to keep it exactly the same so we could have an even test here. So I did use the Hold Me Softly Style Balm first, just like last time, and then I followed up with the Curl Defining Styling Souffle. So that's what I'm scrunching through here. Then I'm just going to scrunch out some excess water, apply a little bit more of the gel, and then diffuse my hair until it's completely dry. So here are my final results after diffusing my hair dry. I'm not sure why I have so much more volume here. That could just be the way that I diffused. I try and do the exact same routine, but sometimes it's hard to be exact. So maybe I diffused a little bit more up at the roots and got some more volume. I am fluffing out the roots just like before. The main difference that I noticed here is my bottom layer is just looking a lot looser in curl pattern. These all pretty much look the same. This side might be a little bit looser these seem to come out just about the same, but overall I have great definition. I've always loved my Olaplex Results, and so I'm really interested to see them both side by side. So let's compare them. So here are my side-by-side results. I want to hear what you think the differences are, and if you notice any difference in the comments down below, definitely let me know. I would say the biggest difference is I feel like I just have a little bit more curl shrinkage and definition on the Bond Curl side. However, on the Olaplex side, I'm seeing some more curl clumps. Like I'm seeing some chunkier curl ringlets, but that could just be a difference in styling or something like that. It's hard to tell. I still did not use a brush on either side when I was styling. Oh, and another thing I forgot to mention is the Bond Curl is a little bit cheaper in price and it's a much bigger bottle. So you might get some more value out of that. Also, obviously the ingredients lists are a lot different. The Curlsmith ingredients you can see have a lot more natural protein ingredients, whereas the Olaplex has a different set of ingredients. So definitely check out the differences there. Also, the Bond Curl treatment seems to be more of a protein-based treatment, whereas Olaplex just works a little bit differently. And because Bond Curl is a protein treatment, you definitely have to be careful with protein overload and try and avoid dryness afterwards with deep conditioning. All in all, I was really happy with my results from both of them, and I was really shocked that Curlsmith Bond Curl can be right on par with Olaplex No. 3, which is definitely a fan favorite in the curly hair community. So I'd love to hear what your thoughts are down below on the differences here.
So now for the giveaway, 3 of you are going to have the chance to win the Bond Curl treatment. So all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below. You can tell me anything you'd like. You can leave me a video request. You can tell me if you're excited to try out this product, or if you have another product from Curlsmith that's your favorite, definitely let me know what that is. And be sure to check out Curlsmith website. I will have it linked down below along with the rest of the giveaway details, so be sure to check that out. I'm gonna have this giveaway going on for 1 week, and also make sure you leave in your comment entry how I can contact you. It's a little bit hard on YouTube to reach you, so make sure you leave either an Instagram handle or an email address or whatever you want to leave, any socials that you have. That way I can contact you if you're the winner. I will also have a blog post that goes with this video that's linked in the description box. That has all the product links, side-by-side comparison photos, and a write-up review of the product if you want to learn more about it. So that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and I will talk to you next week. Bye everyone.